Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to crop image into rectangle shapes in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click shapes option. Then insert a rectangle shapes. Now we can see here we insert a rectangle shape. Then we go to the format menu and click shape fill option. Then choose picture. Then import a picture from our file. Now we can see here we insert a picture, this rectangle shape. Then we resize the image on this rectangle shape. Go to the picture format menu and click crop option. Then crop the image on this rectangle shapes. Now we can see we crop image into rectangle shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.